beauties, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright guys, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you an anti-aging serum that would actually turn your skin to a younger looking skin. Okay, so this anti-aging serum is actually for you if you're under 30. It's going to make you look young. Okay, so now there are stuff that actually makes you look old, even it makes you look older than your age, like not sleeping, not drinking water, not eating healthy diet, and smoking. All of those things actually makes you look old. So if you can stop doing those things and then you inculcate the habit of using one of these natural anti-aging remedy, like this particular one, is going to help you. So let's dive into this video, and don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe and share. And now let's go. So the first ingredient we're going to be making use of will be avocado. Now if you don't have avocado, you can actually use avocado oil, which is almost the same thing. Okay, avocado helps so much in reviving the dullness and the roughness of the skin. It helps to make your skin look really young, and it also works wonders in removing wrinkles. So what we're gonna do now is to put a knife across this avocado and try to open it all up. Okay, so this is the much I can get. It seems the avocado is not properly ripe, but yeah, I'm going to be scooping out. So I'm going to be putting that into this little mortar, and so I can mash it. So after doing that, then I'll have to mash it for it to be smooth. Alright, so after mashing the avocado, now we would have to be transferring that into this bowl. And this is it. Now the next ingredient is milk. Now milk is loaded with lactic acids and numerous benefits that helps to improve the skin elasticity. It helps to tighten up the skin, and it also helps to remove age-related problems. So we're going to be putting 2 tablespoons of milk, and then we'll have to be giving that a stir. Now the next ingredient is Fuller's Earth clay powder. Now Fuller's Earth is a natural earth powder that works in tightening up the skin. It tones up the skin, and it also revive dullness and dryness. It reduces the appearances of large and open pores. So I'm going to be putting half tablespoon of Fuller's Earth clay powder into the ingredients, and then we do the stirring again. The consistency has to be very perfect. Then the last ingredient is sandalwood powder. Now sandalwood powder is a great root powder that helps to diminishes the signs of aging. It removes dark patches on the skin, and it also helps to remove dark knuckles, leaving your skin really flawless and youthful. So we're going to be putting in 1 teaspoon of sandalwood powder, and then would have to give this a final stir and mix properly and very well. Alright, so this is a great natural remedy that would help you so much in reviving the dullness and also make you look younger. So guys, now this is the cream, and what you're gonna do is to grab this and then you apply it onto your skin like a mask. Yeah, it is like a cream, but you have to apply it onto your skin like a mask. It smells good, although personally I don't like the smell of sandalwood powder. And if you're wondering where you're going to see sandalwood powder to buy, you would have to buy sandalwood powder online, okay, or in an herbal store, because this particular one that I use, I bought it online though, but there's a store close to me where I buy my herbal ingredients, which are actually very important. Now for this, you apply it like a mask. Apply it generously, but it's actually very smooth. Yeah. This is how it looks like, and I love the look. And for this, you can actually leave it on your skin for some time, for like 10 minutes, and as you're applying it, you're going to be, it's actually like an instant drying remedy that dries really quickly, okay? So it will help to dry your all of those excessive oil on your skin, and you're not going to be having those white heads and black heads. Okay, so after you apply it, then you have to wait for some time for it to dry. For me, I won't be able to stand here for so long, so I have to go sit down and let it dry. Now when it dries, then you would have to wash it off Now remember to wash this particular remedy off your skin with warm water. Okay, I love to apply all of those places because sometimes I usually see some white head around that side, so you can also choose to do the same. So it's already getting dry on my skin and I'm loving it. Yeah, this has actually been helping me a whole lot. So I'll wait another 3 minutes and it's gonna dry because I'll have to go outside, let the fresh air just touch me and it dries, and I'll be right back. Okay, so basically for this ingredient, you can actually use it to tighten up your skin for like 2 times in a week. Okay, I have tons of anti-aging remedy, recipe that you can choose from. So any of them that the ingredients is actually very affordable and reachable, you can actually use it. Okay, and it's perfect. So that's it, guys. You would have to use this particular one as a mask, and then you rub it through and it sits on your skin and do all of the miracle. Like, it is really refreshing on my skin. Okay, and I'm loving it, and this has actually been helping me a whole lot. So that's it. If you find this video interesting, please don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe and share, and I'll see you soon in another video. Stay flawless and bye, guys.